Okay, so what I have in front of me are these two boxes. This is the iPhone 15 और ये है iPhone 15 Plus. And the best thing is, अगर आप देखेंगे पीछे, so both of them they say clearly assembled in India. And I mean it's a proud moment. ऐसा नहीं है कि iPhone पहली बार इंडिया में बन रहा है, but it's the first time that these phones are available at launch. You know, phones made in India, launch date पे market में हैं. This is the iPhone 15 made in India, of course, in pink color. This is the 15 Plus in black, again made in India. So ये एक इतनी बड़ी बात है, you know, it's such a proud moment for the country because आज से पहले in the past we have seen that Apple has, you know, kind of made these phones but months after the launch. This is for the first time कि phones launch पे जो market में भी मिल रहे हैं, these phones are actually coming in from the Indian factories. Speaking of कि क्या चल रहा है, you know, on social media in China, I think it's a clear matter of jealousy, simply hating. I mean, come on, it's completely utter nonsense because if you see, you know, the suppliers of Apple, for example, Foxconn in this case, who's manufacturing these phones, they all have a fixed standard across the globe. So phones चाहे इंडिया में बने या किसी और कंट्री में बने, kind of the protocols that are followed, they are completely the same. तो यहाँ पे even these phones, they have the exact same quality as per the Apple standards. जो phones दुनिया में कहीं और बनेंगे या इंडिया में बने हो, I mean there's of course no difference in these phones. These are absolutely the best quality of iPhones. इंडिया से जो बन के निकलते हैं, I mean it's such a proud moment. लेकिन जो हम देख रहे हैं कि चल रहा है, you know, in Chinese social media, it's a clear jealousy which is very obvious. Considering हमने देखा है कि Apple is focusing more and more towards India. इंडिया में, you know, Apple is trying to manufacture as much as possible. इस बार लॉन्च से पहले, you know, in India we have seen कि phones बनने start हो गए हैं. Maybe in future we'll see the Pro models as well. Who knows about the MacBooks or the iPads as well. So in India, we clearly seeing this as a sign of victory. बाकी you know how it is, multiple you know things coming in, geopolitics बीच में एक जगह अपनी लेके आता है. In general जो सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर एक नोशन पूरा बन जाता है, तो चाइना ट्राई तो कुछ ऐसा ही कर रहा है, but it's pretty obvious that Apple has the faith in India and that's the reason that these phones on launch day are straight coming in from the Indian factories made by our Indian people as per the standards given by Apple. So I mean there's no doubt about it कि ये जो phones हैं exactly behaving the way they should, exactly kind of you know following the Apple standards, and there's no doubt about it कि ये phones जब मैं हाथ में यूज़ कर रहा हूँ इनफैक्ट बहुत अच्छा लगता है that these phones जो एक टाइम पे कभी हमने देखा नहीं कि इंडिया में बनते हों, आज हमें लॉन्च डे पे इंडिया से बनते हुए मिल रहे हैं. And I'm really proud of it, and I think in future people understand that whatever they see online, whatever they read online, because I have seen some completely kind of you know stupid arguments कि the moment you open these back panels अंदर से आपको करी की स्मेल आएगी या कढ़ी चावल की स्मेल आएगी. I mean guys, what is this nonsense? But yeah, that's what Chinese social media is all about right now. But the fact remains the same that Apple had the faith in India, and that's the reason these phones on launch day are coming in straight from the Indian factories.